Guys, do it. This is your question number 8. Have been asked in 2021 CAT shift 1, slot 1. Take your time. A good question. Let's do. So basically question says, Amal purchases some pens at 8 each. So suppose total number of pens is equal to X and total cost of pens would be 8x because each have been bought at X. Okay. So this is total cost. To sell these, he hires an employee at a fixed wage. Okay. So suppose he hire an employee wage is W. He gives W amount to employee, W wages. So total cost of pen would be 8x plus W. Now, are you agree with me or not? Think about first class of profit and loss. We discussed about what is actual CP. So if suppose I buy a car and the real cost of car rupees 4 lakhs. What at the I invest, modify, I get this car modified and I invest 50,000. So if I get the car, guys, what happened? We will discuss later on. Share the PPT on group, guys. Share. Guys, what I am saying, think about the first class of profit and loss. We discussed about the CP. So what is actual CP? If suppose I buy a car of rupees 4 lakhs, immediately I pay 4 lakhs for car, and after getting car, I get this car modified. If I get this car modified and I invest 50,000 in modification, so the total cost of car for me would be, guys, what? Cost price. So I have invested 8x to buy a pen, number of X pens, and I hire an employee to sell them. And employee wages is W. So for me, the cost price would be 8x plus W. Got it? Now, he sells 100 of these pens, 12 each. So 100 of these pens. So selling price, now selling price would be 100 each have been sold, 12 each. So that would be 1200 would be the SP for 100 pens. We have considered total pen X. So now remaining pen would be X minus 100 and remaining pen have been sold 8, 9 each, 11 each. So that would be selling price. So total selling price would be 12,000 plus 1200 plus 11x minus 1100. Got it? So that would be SP, total SP would be 11x plus 100, total XP. If we do that, we get the profit or loss? 300. By doing that, we get the profit of 300. So profit means SP minus CP. So SP means 11x plus 100. CP means 8x plus W. So from here you will get 11x plus 100 minus 8x minus W. So profit is 300. Profit is 300. So from here you will get 200 is equal to 3x minus W. So for the first equation that we have, this is your first equation, equation number 1. Now the second thing. Okay. Now from here the second steps. Okay. From here the imagination condition. This is the equation till here. Now second condition is while he makes a net loss of 300. Now he bear a 300 rupees loss if the remaining pens are sold 9 each. So now the second equation is 12 pen, 100 pen have been sold 12 each plus remaining x minus 100. These pen have been sold 9 each. In this scenario, she got 300 as a loss. First, that would be SP basically. That would be SP first. SP of 100 pen, SP of remaining pen. So total SP would be 1200 plus 9x minus this is SP and total SP now 9x plus 300, 12 minus 9. And now C gets loss. Loss means CP minus SP. So CP again 8x, no, 8x plus W. 8x plus W, this is CP and SP is 9x plus 300 and loss is rupees 300. So from here you will get 8x plus W minus 9x minus 300. That means that would be 8x, minus x plus W 600. So from let's take, basically I can say W minus x would be 600, equation number 2. And we have already made equation number 1. This is equation 1. And B have been asked W. What would be W? So 3x minus W, that is according to equation first, 3x minus W is equal to 200. Equation 1. So now W will, we need to cancel out x. Multiply over here by 3x, 3. If you multiply 3, that would be 3W minus 3x over 3. So that would be 3W minus 3x. So 3x will cancel out 3x. 3W minus W, that would be 2W and that would be 2000. 2000? Correct. 16. From where we will get, so directly we can cancel out x. Okay. If we do it by W, that means directly if you add them, W will cancel out W. 2x would be 800. X would be 400. If x is 400, plug in x over here. So W would be W minus 400 is equal to, that would be 1000 rupees. So W is 1000. Again a good question. The concept is not too much higher, but there is calculation. The little calculation is little bit tough. Lengthy question, I will say. Not tough question. Toughness, I think there is no toughness. But yes, concept of basis, completely new. We didn't tackle even a single question of such kinds of question of basis, where examiner want to check our basic understanding that what you are gonna consider your CP. So if you have a good command on your basics, basics means what is actual CP, means total and whatever we have invested on that. So A tax means total pens, CP and the employee that we want to hire, that also will count on CP. Good question. Next, you didn't note it down. Have you marked which question you want to ask? 9. Same. You marked or not? You marked or not? You marked the question or not? नो डाउट कैलकुलेशन नहीं है, बट लेंथी क्वेश्चन है. पेपर में आया ऐसे क्वेश्चन. हाँ, एग्जाम का क्वेश्चन है ना. Guys, you can note it down by videos here, through the videos. Okay. Let's do question number 9. Take your time. A good question have been asked again in 2021. Got the answer or not? Guys, got the answer or not? Yes. Girls. About to find the answer or not? Shall I get it done? Guys, beyond your capacity. Let's do. A person buys tea of three different qualities at rupees 800, 500 and 300 per kg. Okay. So superior and middle and inferior. Medium quality, super quality and inferior quality, and the amounts bought are in the proportion. Whatever the amount he have bought in the proportion. So basically quantity of tea is in the ratio 2:3:5. So suppose that man bought 2x kg of good quality and medium quality and inferior quality. So 2x kg of good quality means superior, middle quality, and how much he invested the money. So CP of all types of tea. Good quality tea is 800 rupees per kg. So that means 1600x he invested, and that is 500 per kg. 1500x plus 1500x. So total that he invested is, so total CP is this, and total quantity is 10x. Take a look on the board and try to understand till here. All right or not? Any doubt that you want to ask? All clear? Yes. Basically, the quantity that he have bought in the ratio 3:2:3:5, and suppose multiply by x, the total quantity of superior quantity 2x, in medium quality or inferior quality, and total CP superior qualities tea is 800 per kg. Okay, now the question is, he want to make a profit of 50%. He want to make a profit of 50%. So this is CP. So what would be SP, guys? 50% of this 2300. So 2300 profit he want to make. That means he want to sell it all kinds of teas mixture he want to sell or rupees 6900x. First he mix them. First he mixes them, then he sold at what rupees of for kg? 1/6 of the mixer. So basically 1/6 of the mixer. So total mixer that we have 10x, 1/6 of this value would be 5/3x. This mixer have been sold 700 per kg. So cost SP of 1/6. SP of 1/6 quantity would be 5/3x into 700. That would be 3500x upon 3. Clear? Total quantity that is remaining quantity. Sorry? 3500. 3500x upon 3. Remaining quantity, guys, remaining total is 10x, sold is 5/3x, so that would be 25x upon 3 remaining. And he has made 3500 and x plus by 3, that is selling amount, and he want to sell and he have sold. So remaining selling price, remaining revenue, I can say directly. You want to generate total revenue 6900x, and he have already got this much revenue. So remaining revenue is, guys, that value would be 7, 2 and 20x, 3500x 3, 17,000, 200x upon 3. This is total selling revenue he want to get after selling this much quantity. After selling this much quantity, he want to make this much revenue. So what would be the quantity? 1 kg quantities or mixture. 1 kg is mixture SP. 1 kg mixture SP total revenue he want to generate by selling 25/3x. So 1 kg mixture SP would be, guys, that value would be, x cancel out x, 688. So we have been asked the remaining mixture, 1 kg cost of remaining mixture. That is your answer. Take your time, try to understand. In any line, if you have any doubt, you can immediately ask. At least one, observe the question fully and match your language. Basically, these are lengthy questions, and such questions have been asked in theta format. So all the questions that I'm discussing over here today, they have been asked in theta format question. So in theta format, you can invest at least 3 minutes, but in normal question, 110 seconds only, 2 minutes maximum. Any doubt you want to ask? Shall we move ahead? Total CP, total quantity, total SP. He want to make this much SP revenue, 50% profit. 1/6 of the mixture 5 by 3x have been sold at 700 rupees. So that have been that much amount or that much revenue he have already got by selling 1/6 part of mixture. So rest revenue means this much revenue you want to generate more by selling 25x upon 3, the remaining part of total. So this much revenue you want to generate by selling 23x upon 3. So 1 kg mixture cost, remaining 1 kg mixture cost. Let's move on the next one.